Okay guys, I already went in and did my brows just because you guys already seen in other videos how I do them, and then my daughter's asleep, so all you guys that are moms out there, you guys know the struggle. I kind of have to hurry up, but okay, so I'm just gonna conceal them. I haven't done that. The only thing I did conceal was the top, just because I'm doing this black smoky look, so I do want it to, or I do want my brows to pop a little bit more than usual. So I did the top, and I'm just gonna go in and do the bottom. Okay, now that we have that, now I'm just gonna wait for the concealer to dry a little bit. It's all up to you guys. Back then I would set it with my RCMA powder or translucent powder, but I've been trying that new trick that I've seen, where you just conceal and you wait maybe like 30 seconds to a minute, and then you go ahead and just apply the shadow that you're gonna use, and it makes your eyeshadow pop a lot more actually, but it's all up to you guys. Okay guys, the palette that I'll be using today is the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. Sorry guys, it's a little dirty. I always say, like, every time I buy a new palette, I'm always like, okay, like, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna let it get dirty or anything, but it's hard. Okay, so the color that I'm gonna be using is this light brown, and it's in the shade Burnt Orange. The key to having like a nice smoky eye, especially because it's black, it's gonna be black, you always want to go with like a light color, which is a brown color, a light brown color, because that's gonna be a lot easier to blend. If you're just going with the black, it's gonna be a lot harder, trust me. You're gonna be blending forever, and it's not even gonna blend out good. So just always go in with the, sorry guys, always go in with the light shade. Okay, so the next color that I'm gonna go in with, it's gonna be this brown. Okay, so now that we have that blended, instead of using concealer, I'm gonna go in with the black gel eyeliner from e.l.f. You guys can use whatever you guys want. Or you guys can always cut the crease with concealer, but with black, I think it's best if you use like an eyeliner or even like a pencil, as long as it's black, just so it could pop a little bit more. Try just to put it on the eyelid, because if you go a little bit over, that's gonna mess up your eye look, and then it's gonna be really hard to blend. You're gonna be there forever blending, and you're just gonna get frustrated with yourself. So just try to put it just on your lid, and then from there just go in with the black eyeshadow and another brush and just start blending up. Or you guys can always add brown, because it's either way, it's gonna look like a very dark smoky eye look, so it'll look pretty too. After you put on the eyeliner, and then you're gonna grab another brush and then dip it in black eyeshadow. Try just to buff out the harsh lines, like at the very tip where your crease is gonna start, because that's where all the harsh lines are gonna be at. And then try not to mess with like the middle of the eyelid, because that is just gonna make everything fall off or fall out. Because the black does, I mean, I don't think I've ever found like a nice black eyeshadow that doesn't have any fallout. Okay guys, now that we have that blended, you guys can always go ahead and add wing eyeliner. I really don't like doing it, because I guess there's no point in putting a black eyeliner over black eyeshadow. You can't really see it unless you go in with the brown smoky eye that you decide to do. Then you can always add a black wing eyeliner. It's totally up to you guys, whatever you guys want to do. Remember, it's always the light brown, that transitioning color, and then you'll go in with the dark brown, and then after that you'll always put like a black gel liner or even like a pencil, it doesn't even matter, and then just start blending up. Okay guys, so I'm back. I already did my face, I put on my eyelashes, and now I'm just gonna take this brush, and then I'm just gonna add some black eyeshadow, and then just put it all over my waterline, just so I can smoke out the bottom line too. And then I'm going to go in with the brown, the dark brown that I used. And then just put it under that black. Okay, now I'm going to take my Tarte mascara and then just add some at the very bottom. This is the final look, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. But I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh my god, my shirt's all dirty because it's white. You know what, who cares? My shirts always get dirty and I'm sure y'all's do too. I hope to see you guys next time on my next video.